Who's that crybaby?
Play with toys. Let's play with some toys.
Who's that crybaby?
You're dying, aren't
Who is that?
What does it matter? Let's play with toys. You don't have to play with the stuff you're not allowed to play with. Hey.
I'm glad you can laugh at yourself.
I told you not to play with that.